Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll explore the network features available on Bose professional Videobar devices and how to set them up using the Videobar configuration app. I highly recommend completing the Videobar configuration app overview tutorial beforehand. I also recommend reviewing our available resources explaining how to wire and connect to your VB device. With that mentioned, let's advance to the password-protected administrator settings. Navigate to the network icon located in the navigation panel. When connected to a VB1, separate configuration pages for wired and wireless options can be configured independently and used simultaneously if desired. To configure the wired network interface, begin by connecting a network cable from the local area network infrastructure into the back of the Videobar VB1's network port. Once the cable connection is made, you can enable it. The status icon shows if a connection is made. You can choose DHCP or static mode. DHCP will auto-assign your IP address, subnet mask, and the gateway from your network. DHCP is the default configuration for all VB device network configurations. So if your network supports DHCP, your device will automatically obtain an IP address from your network. To manually assign these values, choose static mode. Type in your information. Once done, click the Apply button. The wireless page configures the wireless network capability. This page is available to both the VB1 and VBS. It can be enabled or disabled with a status icon. When the wireless network is enabled, the drop-down allows you to select the desired network from those that are discovered nearby. Once the network is selected, type in the network password into the pop-up window and click Join. When connected, you'll notice the status icon will change to connected and the IP address, subnet mask, and other network information will populate. If your Wi-Fi network is hidden, you can scroll down to join other network. You can type in the hidden name, security type, and password. Bose professional Videobar devices support SNMP protocol for third-party network management and monitoring device status. Bose Professional provides an SNMP guide located at boseprofessional.com that further explains details about the available pulse and traps. VB devices support SNMP version 3. To configure, enable the SNMP status and select an optional authentication protocol to ensure the identity of users. Enter the username and password of the users who can access information. You can also define the encryption protocol and privacy passphrase. Lastly, enter the IP address of the SNMP server. The Bose Professional VB device will send traps and event notifications to this address per the management informational base. And finally, the Bose Professional Videobar line also features a REST API for network management and monitoring. Use the API page to enable or disable access to the API. When enabled, you may then specify a username and password. These credentials are required to use any REST API commands. For more info on the API, you can click on either of the available links on the API page. Well, that's it for this tutorial. As we close, your key takeaways are the Bose Professional Videobar. VB1 incorporates wired and wireless network cards, while the VBS features only a wireless option. The Videobar configuration app is used for first-time network setup and configuration. Both wired and wireless cards support DHCP or static mode. Bose Professional Videobar. VB devices support SNMP version 3 protocol, and Bose Professional Videobar VB devices also feature a REST API. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to view our entire Bose Professional Videobar tutorial library so you can become an expert.